Fun police will come and stab you in your bed.
We've just got back from the pub. They let us stay a little bit longer tonight, but we're having float of coffees. We've got to be quiet because we upset someone last night for talking. We've got to be quiet, Wookey. Shh. I got the kettle on because we're going to have a couple of floaters, aren't we? Float of coffees.
Well, I'm having a coffee. Don't know what you're having.
Yeah, I'm having a floater. There we go, we're alright. There we go. Special ingredient for the coffee. Oh, coffee. Coffee. There it is. Don't really know exactly what this is. This is another thing from Kay. Roasted gourmet coffee from Costa Rica. Costa Rica?
Fun police will come and stab you in your bed. There'll be no fun here.
Yes, there'll be no fun here. This is a local place for local people.
This is the countryside. You don't allow fun. Sheep shagging stops at 9 p.m. prompt.
It's gone from cottaging to sheep shagging now. Oh, that's boiling lovely. What have we actually got to do with these then exactly? Do you know?
Yeah, there's instructions.
Yeah, I know, but I can't read. Right, open, pour the water in. But what's this little spout here on the right hand
You
side?
need to pour it out again.
Is it?
Yeah. In one way, out the other. Like
Okay.
sex.
Like sex, in one way, out the other? I don't know what sort of sex you're having.
On the top, out the bottom. In the bottom, out the top.
I'd shut up if I were you. There's the cream. Just shot your cream all over the floor there. I hope I'm doing this right. Oh, I see.
You're being a man, aren't you?
The filter is the little spouty thing, I think.
You're doing that thing, aren't you? Hmm.
Yeah, look, you just fill it up with water. And then the pory bit is going to be the filter, I reckon.
Open. Brew and close zipper.
Yeah. It's exciting, isn't it? Oh, that smells nice. It's proper. What have you done? What are you doing?
Tearing the top off because it's
But there's two in here, isn't there? Each one is 2 coffees.
Oh. Is it?
I think so. Doesn't it say that?
What, 300 ml? I'm only allowed 150 ml of coffee.
Well, I don't know if I've done enough water now.
Oh.
We'll do another one in a minute.
Oh, Johnny no mates.
Well, I thought one of these was 2 servings.
What, 300 ml?
Oh, I don't know. It says 2 on the back.
Well, that's okay then. Right.
Well, it does.
Well, that's okay then.
Look. Fuck, that's hot. Yeah. 2. Serves 2.
Okay then.
So we'll let it brew. Let it brew.
The coffee never bothered me
Anyway. Right, so here we go.
There's a spoon, or are you going to go for the straight pour?
I'm gonna do it proper. The only problem is I'm not near the top.
Is that because we're civilised, like, innit?
You gotta get it going.
Are we going for a close-in shot?
Yeah, you can do, yeah.
Yeah?
Let's see how this works.
A close-up.
Yeah, get it going like that. And then once you've got it going, turn the spoon upside down. Have it. Have that, you slag. I don't think it's the right cream.
Now what do you do in an oval mug? Or a kidney-shaped mug?
Oh, it's sort of worked.
Where it doesn't swirl.
And let me get the cream ready.
Can you stir in a kidney-shaped
Well,
manner?
let's see, shall we?
You have to stir in a kidney shape. Because I believe they call this a kidney mug.
Well, yeah, it's happening. It's a long wait for the drop, though, isn't it? Ready?
I'm ready.
Have it. That's not working. Ah, it's not worked, has it?
I've got a cup of something.
Well, in my defence, it's your fault for having a stupid shaped mug.
It fits the bottle.
Yeah, I know that.
I didn't choose.
I've got cream on me panniers.
Another t-shirt slogan.
Mine ain't too bad, look at that. But yours is a bit f***ed.
Well, you tried your best.
I know. Yeah, that's
There are no losers at St Winifred's Primary School. It's the taking. It's the taking part
that counts. Yeah,
that counts.
mine didn't come out too
You
bad.
have quite a nice float of coffee,
But yours.
and I have a cup of something, which I shall drink and enjoy.
Yeah,
Because that is the polite thing to do.
that's right. Oh, it's got something going on. These boxer shorts. Right. Let's try it. See what it's like.
Something.
Wow. I wonder. It's got all the ingredients in there.
Not necessarily in the right order. Oh, sorry, people.
That's not too bad.
I haven't drank it yet.
What's it like?
That is certain. Yeah,
It's got all the ingredients.
that is definitely a cup of something.
Mm. What's it like though? Mine's nice. Do you think it's the vodka you put in it? Because I've never had vodka in one.
Neither had I,
Ah,
until we went to the Indian restaurant and I had the Russian coffee,
did you? Yeah, you can't say
and
Russian
it was
now.
nice. It was nothing like this.
No. That's special.
Special. No. Do remember I have a poor sense of taste.
I know. That's why you've got a Triumph.
It hasn't
Don't
sat,
bring it over here. I don't want it.
it didn't sit on top, look, it mixed in.
Yeah.
So it's all swirled up.
Well, there was two problems. One, the shape of the receptacle, and 2, the drop.
Oh,
It was quite far down in, wasn't it?
so I'm wrong for being kidney shaped.
Well, mine went alright, because mine's a circle. Them things.
Next time I'll bring my folding collapsible.
I thought you were going to say different friend.
Yeah, next time I'll go on holiday with somebody else.
Yeah.
No, I should bring my folding collapsible sea to summit mug.
Oh, nice.
Because you have the bowl and the plate. I have
Yeah, I'm
the
happy
mug.
with this mug.
I have the mug.